Jaja blessing I. Me hear them asking why. They thought I'm going under, but I'm going over. Everything is nice, nice, nice. Me nah tell no lie. You got to get a blight to make it in the life. Youth man survive, never ever go down. Try to always hold on, arrive alive. Hey, yeah. Message to the youth in life and better set them goal. That's the only way you're gonna make it in the world. You got to be serious, brave and bold. Teach the right thing to the little boys and girls. Got to hold up from meditation. Try not to end up in a station. You got to keep a cool vibration. Burn out the wicked with no hesitation. Music sounding nice, everything is right. Jaja blessing I. Me hear them asking why. They thought I'm going under, but I'm going over. Everything is nice, nice, nice. And say me not tell no lie. Got to get a blight to make it in the life. Youth can survive, never ever go down. Try to always hold on, arrive alive, life, life. Sure, Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Youth and them must reach African shore. So what? Well, if no sun no shine, no rain no fall, no grass no grow, and this man have to know. And if no peace no keep, then why you speak? Then blood a figo, red blood a figo. Jaja love, it keeps me calm. Abba Selassie I love. Keep I so cool and calm. Chant a psalm, bongo man. Hail of the king and a burn out shaitan. Good vibes a flow, me say life a move on. Chadan, chadawan, chadon. The heathen want fi chop eye inna them net. What coming to them a go get. Rasta na slip, na go slide when I'm a try intercept. No way, hey, no way. The wicked them want fi chop eye inna them net. What coming to them a go get. Yo, them think a joke when man a make say this a the living trumpet. This a word say it must manifest. Cause the wicked them want fi stop eye, want fi block eye, want fi chop eye. They inna them net. We tell them say, shall live and not die. Say hail the most high. Kill up the king I hail up Melchizedek. Jaja love, it keeps me calm. Abba Selassie I love. Keep I so cool and calm. Oh no 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 no, baby. Yeah. Oh no 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 no. These differences, these teeny weeny 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 differences. We have too much of that. Missing these differences. Yeah. Teeny weeny weeny differences. What's this? If she goes up, I go down. She goes left, I go right. She loves the day, I love tonight. So these differences make us fight. If she goes up, I go down. She goes left, I go right. She loves the day, I love tonight. So these differences make us fight. In the beginning, things were so cool. So why recently you acting so rude? Wash out my clothes, cook all my food. In them times, everything was so good. The beautiful princess with your cute smile. I used to be your boyfriend since you was a child. Now you want to party and get on so wild. And you want to leave all the memories behind. If she goes up, I go down. She goes left, I go right. She loves the day, I love tonight. The these differences make us fight. If she goes up, I go down. She goes left, I go right. She loves the day, I love tonight. The these differences make us fight. No, 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 no. Yeah. No, 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 no. Ay, 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 ay. Well, I burn prostitution, I burn. Or the sister the all that get slay. We not like the meditation. Them done stray, yeah. So tell them keep out of me way. Cause I burn prostitution, I burn. Or the sister the all that get slay. We not like the meditation. Them done stray, yeah. So tell them keep out of me way. Or better listen up, cause me nah lie. If I vagina fi sell Rasta nah buy. We not promote them strip club, not them all a drummer. We not bound up mix up with funny guy. Tell them say we fun dash we belly thing. We not pay no spend money fi shelly thing. Some woman have a mountain and want the children, and them just not chill with this thing. Cause when she say conny fi money, some boy get funny. Now you lay down in the hospital bed, your life done here. You never thought you woulda get caught money fi spend, and you're the fool that bad. So I burn prostitution, I burn. Or the sister the all that get sly. We not like the meditation, them done stray. So tell them keep out of me way, cause I burn prostitution, I burn. Or the sister the all that get sly. We not like the meditation, them done stray. So tell them keep out of me way. We yeah man, it's King David alongside Preston. Oh, what a blessed reunion for the people. Yeah man, we talking to the youths of the nation, trying to heal my generation.
What we need is love, we need is hope, we need is unity, illumination. It's gotta be you, it's gotta be me. Come up with some kind of solution. Tired of the war, tired of this life, and messing up this determination. The woman even go, but here is my own.
If George Bush never sending the troops, then recruits won't be dying. All of the nuclear wasn't there, who the hell lying? One-sided war, mothers on the two-side crying. 4 more years of war, no more oil they'll be buying. I smell the rot from ever since way back. I built my house on the rock, the vision sight up that. If you try fight back, superpower attack. For every action we're going to react.
What we need is love, we need is hope, we need is unity, illumination. It's gotta be you, it's gotta be me. Come up with some kind of solution. Tired of the war, tired of this life, and messing up this determination. The woman even go, but here is my own.
Show me the color ID. Show me the color ID. Come on, show me the color ID. You want to get in contact with the KMC? Show me the color ID. Show me the color ID. Show me the color ID. I am a ball. Stop calling me private. You better show your phone number, cause I would not be taking your phone call if you don't roll those digits over. Yo, stop calling me private. You better show your phone number, cause I would not be taking any phone call if you don't roll those digits over. Yo, I'm ducking Mr. Marrow from the road, cause he always dropping sorrow when he want money borrow. I'm ducking Sheldon Davis from Mavis, cause he always on the phone, keep talking to for business. I'm ducking Beverly who like to come down by me and use me landline to call she man up Miami. I'm ducking promoters who not too nice, want me in the fet and don't want to pay me price. So stop calling me private. You better show your phone number, cause I would not be taking your phone call if you don't roll those digits over. Yeah, stop calling me private. You better show your phone number, cause I would not be taking your phone call if you don't roll